We live in an amazing time in history where there is technology and invention everywhere we look. It's because of this that travel doesn't have to be painful or anxiety-inducing. It can truly be calm and luxuriously relaxing. With just a little bit of prep and maybe picking up a few new items, you too can truly enjoy your travel days instead of seeing them as just an uncomfortable means to your vacation end. First and foremost, to be comfortable when you travel, you need to be as hands-free as possible, while still keeping your most important items easily accessible. And the number one way to do this is to get your phone out of your hand and out of your bag and around your neck. A cell phone necklace with a case that doubles as a wallet, like this one by Bandolier, gets the job done. Not only is your phone safe from pickpockets, who, FYI, are more interested in stealing your phone than your wallet these days, but your phone stays easily accessible for checking into your flight, checking into the airport lounge, having your ID and your credit cards stored in the wallet part, and it ensures, again, that safe feeling that it's not going anywhere. Your nervous system can relax a little easier knowing you're good. All right, I'll link this specific case in the description below because this newest model magnetizes your wallet to the back of your phone and it clips it for added security. But it also allows you to pop it off should you want to use the MagSafe charging on the back. I mean, very cool. All right, so keeping with this theme, we're going to take the cell phone necklace a step further and add a couple clippable accessories. If you're an AirPods user, which I'm going to go ahead and clip it on first. If you're an AirPods user, Bandolier makes these cases that clip onto your phone. Not only are they stylish, but they help you keep track of your AirPods so you don't lose them, either in the backseat pocket of the plane or accidentally leaving them behind in the lounge, which I have definitely done. This keeps them close to you while also keeping your hands-free. Lastly, there are clippable pouches. This allows you to keep a few small items at the ready at all times. For me, this is my Vaseline lip care and my Nivea hand lotion. If there are items like this that you use often, you don't want them hidden in your personal item, or even worse, packed in your carry-on. You want them easy to grab in a moment's notice. And it gives you a place to always place those items so that you don't lose them or waste time searching. The best part of this setup is that in my experience, after hundreds of flights using this, they don't count this setup as an additional personal item. It's considered just having your phone on you. And because the overall setup is so small, I mean, if you really had to, you could pop it into your personal item easily. For example, as you go through security. I like to keep my phone and the accessories on me at all times while on the plane. This is also a great safety activity because when you use the restroom or walk the plane, your most valuable possessions are literally on your person, making those crimes of opportunity we see happen on planes and in the airport something that can't happen to you. All right, the next item that pairs so well with the hands-free trend is the AirPods Necklace. This necklace, it goes around your neck to which you attach your AirPods. One second. I cannot stress enough how much of a game changer this little accessory can be. This allows you to take an AirPod out, let it hang while you're talking to the gate agent or ordering a coffee at Starbucks. You're not stuck holding it in your hand, or worse, placing it on top of a counter where you're likely to forget it. On the plane, this comes in handy because it allows you to be confident you're not going to lose one of your AirPods to the cracks around your seat. And if you've ever been one to accidentally lose your AirPods when traveling, these two items, the clippable pouch and the necklace, are must-haves. Now, while the necklace that I use and love is by Bandolier, unfortunately, they have discontinued it. So I'm linking some other alternatives from Amazon below. All right, now when you're on the plane and you're rocking your AirPods, clippable case, and the AirPods necklace, the next best thing is to keep your Bluetooth headphones on while engaging with the in-flight entertainment screen on the plane. So now some planes are actually Bluetooth enabled, which is amazing, but a lot of them are still a little bit behind the times. So you need something like the AirFly to connect. When you first buy your AirFly, you're going to want to make sure to pair your Bluetooth headphones to it when you're at home. Trying to do this the first time on the plane is a recipe for disaster, as it's trying to connect with everyone else's Bluetooth and not yours. So pair it at home, and then when you get on the plane, you just plug it in, connect your headphones, and now you get all the amazing benefits of your noise canceling headphones with the awesome entertainment options available on your plane. The AirFly is so amazing. It's one of my favorite gifts to give these days, because even if you don't travel often, you just leave it in your electronics pouch, what I call the seat back savior pouch, and it'll always be ready and waiting for you when you need it. The other amazing hands-free accessory is the Add-A-Bag travel strap. Ugh. Now, this makes a great stocking stuffer or add-on gift because everyone can use one. The trick, however, is that you don't want to use it with the silver ring it comes with. These rings are notorious for opening on their own. And when you attach this to your personal item, you want to be confident that all your stuff is going to stay with you. What I recommend is to purchase a lockable carabiner, the type that rock climbers use, and swap it out for the ring. Now, this thing is not going anywhere. Mine literally lives on my personal item at all times because anywhere I go with my backpack, I'm probably going to find use for it. I find it's great for holding your layers, a hoodie, a jacket, or a sweater. Something that you want to bring with you just in case it gets cold, but you don't want to have to hold it in your hand the whole time. Because as we know, anything that is held in your hand is likely to get set down, forgotten, and lost. In addition, using this carabiner adds a level of security that allows you to clip other things to the outside of your personal item, like your Cabeau neck pillow or travel blanket. All right, small tip, you know that the YouTubers who show you stuff are actually using it if it's like falling apart when they show you. That's in use, used very often. All right, another super awesome thing that I've noticed over, again, hundreds of flights having used this is that they count all of these things clipped onto your personal item as part of your personal item. I have never been asked to shove them inside because they're attached and they're secure, they're good to go. And because we just mentioned it, let's talk a little bit about the Cabeau neck pillow. The Evolution S3 version is amazing for those of us with long necks. This added memory foam type of topping means that any way your head falls, you're hitting a pillow. There's also a strap around the back that goes around the airplane's headrest should you be one who needs a little help staying put back against the seat. Now, if you don't have a long neck, then the turtle pillow is a fan favorite. So it kind of wraps around your neck like a scarf, but it has this inner piece to it that supports your head as you lean to the side. Let me just show you real quick. So I'm going to go ahead and include the link to it since it's such a loved neck pillow. However, for me, the Cabeau pillow is, but I also have a long neck, so c'est la vie. All right, when it comes to technology and most importantly charging, I recommend bringing 2 charging blocks. One of them will go packed in your carry-on. This is the travel adapter that works all over the world. It's the one with like a million different charging ports so that it can support your entire arsenal of devices. But you should also bring 1 fast charging block for a single device. This one can get plugged into your travel adapter once you get where you're going, in your hotel or office space. But when you travel, it's used to charge your devices individually. Or if you're an iPad user or have a device that needs a fast, strong charge, it's what you're going to use to power your device the entire trip. I say to bring this with you on the plane because a lot of plane outlets aren't really going to work with the big travel adapter. It's a bit too big and bulky, whereas this little guy is perfect. While planes and airports today have a ton of plugs everywhere for charging, it's always good to also bring a backup battery. Because you never know, you might end up on an older plane with no working outlets. And the one thing none of us can risk is our phone going dead before we land. Our phones are what we use to call an Uber. It's the GPS we use in the rental car to find our hotel. And it's how we communicate to our family to let them know we arrive safely. So having a backup battery is never a bad idea. Now, we've mentioned the Essentials pouch and the Seat Back Savior pouch. These are part of the Luxe 4-pouch system that we find to be the absolute best way to categorize and organize our things before travel. There's, again, one pouch for your essentials, the things you use often. Another pouch that will get pulled out of your personal item and placed into the seat back before you that has everything you need while in flight, and that's a Seat Back Savior pouch. Both of these we mentioned. But there's also a pouch for your snacks and a pouch for items you're likely to use on specific flights, like long-haul routes or red-eyes. We're not going to go into it now since we have a whole video on packing the perfect personal item that goes into this in depth, and we'll link that video below. But for now, just know that picking up a few pouches or finding some around your house that you might already have is a really great way to organize your things in your carry-on so that your day is calm, predictable, and you know you have what you need, and you know it's all easy to access when you need it. All right, lastly are the items that aren't really necessary, but can give you a great peace of mind if there are things that worry you. Since the ultimate goal is to travel with calm, restful energy so that you can enjoy every part of your day. So, what are those things? If weighing your bag at check-in gives you heart palpitations because you tend to skirt the line of what you're allowed to bring, pick up a luggage scale. I was given this one as a gift nearly 20 years ago, and I'm still using it to this day. If lost luggage causes you fear and trepidation, first, I will say that the major airlines have gotten so much better at tracking your bags and displaying that tracking in their apps. But if you need a little extra insurance, air tags or tile tags make great additions. I have an air tag in each of my bags and they just kind of live there forever. This allows me to track everyone's bags in the family really easily, especially since you can label each tag. Okay, now for the recap rundown on the tech and gear that make your travel life calm, restful, and an enjoyable experience. First, a cell phone necklace and wallet combo. AirPods case with clip, small pouch with clip for your essentials, and both of these things clip to your phone and wallet combo. An AirPods necklace to keep track of your AirPods, an AirFly for in-flight entertainment, the add-a-bag strap and locking carabiner to easily bring your jacket and remain hands-free, a Cabeau or turtle neck pillow, a charging block and travel adapter, the Luxe 4-pouch system, which you can get the details on in our Packing the Perfect Personal Item video linked below, a luggage scale to never have an overweight bag again, and finally, bag trackers like AirTags for the peace of mind that always knowing where your bags are can bring. All right, that is it. Thanks for watching and supporting the channel, and subscribe for new travel tips every week.